underpaid, and overlooked. 6 ways to make a hard decision easier. My name is Rocco Carlisle. At 65, I've learned that most decisions feel hard, not because we lack options, but because we fear choosing the one that will change our life for the worse. Let me show you how to make that easier. Remove emotion. Keep the facts. A friend of mine stayed in the same job for 9 years. He was exhausted, underpaid, and overlooked. The facts were clear, but his emotions kept telling him to hold on a little longer. When he finally separated the truth from the fear, the decision to make became clear as day. Ask, what would my stronger self do? When a choice unsettles you, picture a wiser, steadier version of yourself, the one who's more disciplined and a little more daring. He always chooses growth over comfort. It's the present version of you who argues. Measure regret, not comfort. With the job you hate, the partner you've outgrown, or the habit that drains your energy, ask yourself one simple question. If nothing changed for the next 5 years, would I regret it? If the answer is yes, making a decision isn't hard, it's overdue. Give yourself the advice you'd give a friend. We are honest with others, but we negotiate with ourselves. If a friend were trapped in the same situation, you'd tell them the truth without hesitation. What you'd tell them is the advice you've been avoiding. Choose based on who you want to be. Most people choose what feels safe today and pay for it tomorrow. But when you choose from the perspective of the person you're trying to become, the path becomes clearer. Short-term discomfort builds long-term peace, except that certainty doesn't exist. Every meaningful decision carries risk, changing jobs, ending a relationship, moving cities. You'll never have perfect information, but you can have self-trust. Confidence comes from choosing while afraid, then proving to yourself you can live with the choice. At the end of the day, hard decisions don't become easy because life is kind. They become easy because you stop postponing your future. And once you understand that, you realize the real danger was never choosing wrong. It was staying somewhere you already knew wasn't right.